Good morning, friends. Warm greetings from Rajni Numerologist. I have been in this field since 1989 and offering my consultancy on different aspects of life. Yesterday, I discussed with you chances of love marriage or arranged marriage for number one. Today, I'll continue the same for consultancy for number two. As all of you should be having a clear notion in mind, so I'm repeating that only birth number shouldn't be considered in for any aspect of life, for making calculation for any aspect of life, because luck factor equally plays a good role. So even while considering matrimonial alliance, you should consider both birth number and your luck number. Your date of birth is your birth number, and sum total of date, month, and year, it comes to luck number. So both play equally vital role in deciding whether it will be a love marriage or it will be an arranged marriage. So if you're having birth number 2 and luck number 1, in such a case, a person endowed with birth number 2 is imaginative and is possessed with a romantic fervor and a good capability for adjustment and has a all-rounder sort of personality, whereas luck number 1 denotes that he or she will be independent in decision making. Hence, such a person decides his or her mode of marriage on own and opts for love marriage or arranged marriage as per own discretion and willingly faces any problem that comes in way of love marriage. Birth number 2 and luck number 2. An individual endowed with above mentioned numbers is blessed with aesthetic attributes and is highly imaginative with a romantic fervor and has no hitch at all in intercaste marriage or getting settled abroad after marriage. Hence, even if it is an arranged marriage, it moves on a smooth going track. It goes on a smooth sailing track. Birth number 2 and luck number 3. For an individual bestowed with these numbers, there are more chances of arranged marriage. If it is a love marriage, responsibility of retaining good married life lies on his or her shoulders basically. Birth number 2 and luck number 4. An individual endowed with these numbers has offbeat thinking, non-traditional thinking, loves to lead a non-traditional life and might opt for live-in relation even. Priority is love marriage, but it doesn't prove much successful. Birth number 2 and luck number 5. An individual endowed with these numbers is highly imaginative as per personal attributes are concerned, and his or her luck number fetches practical approach towards life situations. So opts for love marriage or for arranged marriage as per own thinking and practical adjustment. Chances are bright for getting married abroad. Birth number 2 and luck number 6. An individual endowed with luck number 6 is imaginative and bears a romantic fervor in personal attributes and is quite affectionate and caring for attributes of others. Love marriage suits him or her on physical as well as mental plane, and no hindrance occurs in love marriage at all. Even if it is arranged marriage, compatibility is always good with life partner. Birth number 2 and luck number 7. An individual gifted with boon of these numbers is blessed with gift of adjusting temperament, imagination, and romantic bent of mind. Even if in love, will wait for the partner to express his or her mind first instead of initiating proposal for marriage. Whether it be love marriage or arranged one, married life is always blissful. Birth number 2 and luck number 8. An individual endowed with these numbers is imaginative as well as practical, with a tinge of spirituality too, and longs for stability in life. Successful married life follows as a result of capability to adjust and at times due to being assertive. Arranged marriage is first option for them, but if fallen in love, will surely have love marriage and might have to struggle for this cause a lot, but will insist on love marriage only if once he or she falls in love. Birth number 2 and luck number 9. An individual endowed with birth number 2 is more on plane of imagination with a romantic bent of mind, and a luck number 9 renders him an independent decision making power. Once mind is set for love marriage, nobody can hinder, nobody can stop. But generally, their love marriage doesn't last long. Arranged marriage is always a better option for them. So, friends, next I will be telling you about number 3 in my next series. So, stay in touch and please subscribe to my channel so that you can keep on getting all the information related to my videos. Thank you.